look at these two sentences. This sentence says, Ankita said to Ravi, I took your pen yesterday. Now, in this case, we are directly quoting the words of Ankita. These are the exact words of Ankita, and we have put them within inverted commas. So, we are directly quoting the words of the speaker. So, this is direct speech. Whereas in this sentence, Ankita told Ravi that she had taken his pen the previous day. So we are not directly quoting the words of Ankita. We are not using the exact words of the speaker. We are stating what the speaker said in some other words without changing the meaning of the sentence. This is indirect speech. So both are ways of reporting, but this is direct speech, this is indirect speech. Now, when we change a sentence or convert a sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, there are certain things which change, like said to becomes told. So, the reporting verb changes. Also, the inverted commas are removed and there is a that. Another thing, I becomes she, your becomes his. So the pronouns inside the quotations, they change. Also, took becomes had taken. So the tense changes, or if it is future tense, the modal changes. Also, yesterday becomes the previous day. So there are certain special words which indicate time or place. So they also change when we convert from direct speech to indirect speech. Now in this lecture, we will see how some special words relating to time or place, they change when we convert a sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. That is, some special words within the quotation mark, like yesterday, they change to some other words, like yesterday has changed to the previous day. So let us see some examples. So let us see how these words change when the reporting verb is in the past tense. So reporting verb is said, it is in the past tense. So let us see how they change. She said, Ria is studying now. So she said, Ria is studying now. That means when she said it, Ria was studying. But when we are reporting, it is a thing of past. So when we are reporting it, we cannot say that Ria is studying now. Ria was studying when she said it. So in indirect speech, the sentence will become, she said that Ria was studying then. So now becomes then, because what does this then refers to? It refers to when she said it. She said that Ria was studying then. So when she was saying it, at that time Ria was studying. So we say she said that Ria was studying then. So now becomes then. He said Ryan has an examination today. So he said Ryan has an examination today. So when he said it that day, it was Ryan's examination. But when we are reporting it, we may report it on the next day or any other day. So when we are reporting it that day, it is not Ryan's examination. Ryan's examination is on the day when he said it. So in indirect speech, it will become, he said that Ryan had an examination that day. Now what do we mean by that day? That day means the day when he said it. So all these are with respect to the time when it was said. So that day refers to the day when it was said. So he said that Ryan had an examination that day means Ryan had an examination on the day when he said it. So these are with respect to the time it is said. But there is an exception to this rule. If it is being reported on the same day. So suppose he said it today and we are reporting it today, then we cannot say that Ryan had an examination that day. We will say Ryan had an examination today, because if it is reported on the same day, then today will remain today, because we are talking about the same day. So normally when we are converting today to indirect speech, we use that day. But in some special cases, when we are reporting it on the same day, we use today. Kunal said Priya is leaving tomorrow. Now again, tomorrow refers to the day after Kunal said it. So if Kunal said it on Monday, tomorrow refers to Tuesday. So the next day after Kunal said. So in indirect speech, it will become Kunal said that Priya was leaving the next day or the following day. We can use any of these, the next day or the following day. So Kunal said that Priya was leaving the next day or the following day. So the next day or the following day is with respect to the time when Kunal said it. So next day of when Kunal said, or following day of when Kunal said it. He said Alex will come to India next month. So again, next month means when he said it, the month after that. So in indirect speech, it will become he said that Alex would come to India the following month. So next month becomes the following month. The following month of what? The following month of when he said it. So he said that Alex would come to India the following month, not the next month. Celia said she bought a book yesterday. Now Celia is saying she bought a book yesterday. She means someone else, not Celia. She bought a book yesterday. Now yesterday means when Celia was saying the day before that. So in indirect speech it will become Celia said that she had bought a book the day before or the previous day. So yesterday becomes the day before or the previous day, because when I am reporting it, I cannot say yesterday. It is yesterday with respect to when Celia said it, but I can report it even 2 days later. So when I am reporting it 2 days later, I need to say the day before or the previous day, which means the day before when Celia said it or the previous day when Celia said it. So I can use any, the day before or the previous day for words like yesterday. My mother said it rained heavily last night. Now, last night refers to the time, that is refers to the night before the night when my mother said it. So in indirect speech it will become my mother said that it had rained heavily the previous night or the night before. So last night becomes the previous night or the night before. Bob said a puppy was lying here in the morning. So now whatever examples we had discussed till now were with respect to time. Now here is with respect to place. So a puppy was lying here. So here becomes there. when we change it to indirect speech. Bob said that a puppy had been lying there in the morning. So here becomes there. The teacher said there are 10 short poems in this book. So this book refers to a particular book. In indirect speech, it becomes that. The teacher said that there were 10 short poems in that book. So when we convert from direct to indirect, this becomes that. My sister said, I love these cookies. So once again, when we convert from direct to indirect, it becomes my sister said that she loved those cookies. So these becomes those. From direct to indirect, these becomes those. So these are some special words which change from direct speech to indirect speech. So now becomes then, today becomes that day, tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day, next week, next month or next year becomes following week, following month or following year. Yesterday becomes the day before or the previous day. Last night becomes the previous night or the night before. Here becomes there. Ago becomes before. This becomes that. These becomes those. Come becomes go. So these are some special words which change when we convert a sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.